Okay, we've driven an hour and a half to Texcoco, town outside of Mexico City. Coming to the Barbacoa Mecca. So, some pit cooked lamb sheep about to happen right now. It's kind of OG barbecue. So the lamb's cooked for like 18 hours in these pits. Maguey leaves, which is kind of like a cactus leaf. Slowly smoking, all the juices coming together, very simply cooked, it's caveman style. And then they stuff the stomach with offal, so it's sort of like a haggis, like a Mexican haggis. Looks like he's cracking a pit. Wow. Under there, just solid meat. They also hit you with the natural consomme that cooks all liquid that comes up when they roast it in the ground. Juice. It's a stadium of barbecue lovers. Literally a football field of people eating barbacoa. It's like a Disneyland of barbecue. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in my life. So this is the pancita, which is like the stomach, it's like haggis. And these guys just keep pulling out plate after plate. Gracias. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, wow. Everything's its own station, so it's like tortilla, barbacoa, consomme. So like Disneyland, it's kind of like line after line after line. You're just sitting here holding your bag of meat, absolutely like waiting to tear into it. The anticipation is killing everyone. Consomme's got some like, I think some rice in there, some chunks of meat. I feel like I'm waiting for like the Harry Potter ride in the amusement park right now. Except instead of Splash Mountain, you get a pit cooked sheep. It's worth the wait. Gotta have the pulque stop. You got hand formed or you got the machine? You literally need a whole family because you need to split off. One guy gets tortilla, one guy gets barbacoa. The daughter runs and gets salsas. It's like multiple stations. That's it. This stuff's like shredded. Look at it. It's unbelievable. I know it's disgusting to watch somebody eat, but just to show how soft it is. It's like a no chew. Yeah, a couple chews. Actually, the most exciting thing for me was this pancita, which is the innards. They kind of cook together and have like aggressive chili. They're spiced with like a bunch of chilies. And they kind of become like this like dry, hot saucy, offal type thing, but really good. Really cool. Can't find that anywhere, I'm sure, outside of Texcoco. It's so smoky. All the condiments are unbelievable too, like even the limes and you buy onions and cilantro. Salsa, like this entire little cup of salsa. This is some best salsa I've ever had in my life. Honestly, this is literally one of the most mind-blowing food experiences I've ever had. I did not know what to expect. We're driving up a dirt road to get here. I was like, is this going to be one of those situations where you drive an hour and a half and it's closed? And my wife's screaming at me because I've dragged her an hour and a half outside of Mexico City to a closed restaurant, but it has exceeded expectations. How's your drink?
Delicious.
Little crispy sesames and some melted gummy bears or something around the outside. What makes the beer red?
This.
Okay. Okay, so this is the pancita and lamb meat in there. Bouncy castle, essential at every barbecue. Like the most authentic tortilla station on the planet. These little hanging things are a bit low for me. A lot of ducking. Found more pits. There's literally like 15 or 16 pits to cook lamb in. The volume of lambs, and they fresh kill them in the town, I think. So they bring them and it's basically like killed, cooked over 2 hours, fresh. I love how it's like if you don't want barbecue, there's also the single greatest Mexican home cooking I've ever seen. Plantano frito, and so condensed milk and jam. Dessert. Is there crema?
Lechera.
And latte condensed.
Mermelada.
Okay, gracias. Gracias. Whoa. Okay, well I don't say this often, but mind fucking blown on that one. As far as chalking up like 1 to 2 hour drives outside of a city to come see something, that was unbelievable. And I don't think I'll ever experience that again in my life. It's like, is this how Mexico eats? What are we doing in North America? This is the funnest food event I've ever been to. It's like tailgate on steroids with barbecue and live music. Just to give you an idea, here's the shot of the parking lot. It's like a football stadium in there. How many cars? And each one of these was just like a full family. It's literally like 1,000 people in there. Wild. Walking to find some form of a bus stop or transportation. Definitely in the rural streets here. It's beautiful out here. It's quiet, dry, calm. Definitely had chili covered mango, but I've never had mango chili sorbet. It's tremendous. It's wow. It's like mango with a little bit of Frank's Red Hot sauce swirled into it. Whew. Sweet. Good. Mango con chili ice cream. Perfect ending to a perfect barbacoa day. Feeling good.